مغربية، بحب المغرب والله.
الله يحفظك.
انت من المنوفية يا اسطى؟ The fat
I'm
has only
I'm
secrets, you
fat
know?
but happy. And you
Fuck you.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Why? قلت له اسخع.
Solto asco.
عملت لي كابتن. No, bro. I'm not joking. Like, is this your eyes or is this lenses or what? Wow. ما شاء الله. It's good, bro. It's good. Yeah.
انا عارف. انا عارفك بتابعك على التيك توك على فكره.
ايه يا اسطى، انت من اسبانيا ازاي يا اسطى؟
يا اسطى بتابعك على فكره، بس انت على الاجانب وكده.
انتوا بتعملوا نفس الحوار ولا ايه؟
مشناك يا اسطى، مشناك يا معلم.
حاجة جدعان، ايه ده؟ ما تخليك بقول السرير ده مصري برضه والازاز
مش شايف.
استنى عايزين نصورك يا جد.
استنى اصورك السرير.
صور معانا يا جد.
ده واحد تحيه. اثبت لك على حاجه يا اسطى.
اسمك ايه يا جدع على التيك توك يا جد؟
اسمك ايه يا اسطى؟
اسمي فارس. بص يا اسطى هكتبه لك.
Damn, you're pretty.
واو.
You have like a pretty ass face.
Thank you. You too. How old are you?
22.
22. Oh, I'm younger than you know?
I know. But you have a really pretty face. You're gonna
Thank
grow
you.
up to be
I love your face too. You look like you look cute, you know?
Yes, yeah.
Yo, learn me how to get girls. I can't get girls.
Up to one, and then you say, "Hey, do you have a mom?" And then like she must say, "Yes, I do." Why? And then you say, "Oh,
I can
'cause
make you one.
I want to meet her daughter." Like, how would you go up to a girl now?
What's up, girls? What you doing?
Wir nicht in Amerika, wir sind so blöd.
What's up, Hitler?
What the fuck?
not Hitler.
Hey,
Hey,
what you doing, man?
I'm doing good, bro. What about you, bro?
I'm drinking.
Why, bro?
Why?
Yeah, don't drink, bro.
I don't know. I'm just drinking and I don't know why. I'm just drinking.
Bro, go to
Well.
sleep, bro. You need to sleep.
Hey broski,
What's up?
what's that? What's your tracksuit? Can I see it? Looks clean. Oh, that's a G, a polo.
Yeah.
Looks good. Looks really
It's
good.
like a sport polo, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Germany. Oh, good. Okay, don't worry about that. I'm from Brazil, by the way.
Oh, Brazil, like Neymar.
Yeah. You love Neymar?
Yeah,
You love
that's
me?
okay. I love you.
Thank you. I love you too.
But I think you're like I think you're prettier than Neymar even. But,
No, Neymar like very pretty boy, you know? I don't
But
know.
you're prettier than him. I think. You
Yes.
like really symmetrical. You are. With the jawline.
12 seconds later.
What's up, man?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Where you from?
Yeah, I'm from Egypt, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
Black wall on you.
Black Marlon. You're gay. He called you Black Marlon.
That is, bro.
Bro, this racist, bro. Bro, don't be racist, bro. What are you doing?
Hello.
What are you doing?
My name is Dexter.
What are you doing?
Get ready for my kill room.
Okay, bro. You look sus.
I'm Dexter. I'm gonna kill a serial killer right now.
Yo, bro. Bro, you are not scary, bro. Just play the fucking song, bro.
Jaquavius.
I'm what?
Jaquavius.
I'm the greatest. No! Thank you.
Jaquavius.
Crazy.
Jaquavius.
Craziest? Right it.
I can't spell that shit. Jaquavius. No. Jaquavius. No. That Lias.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Egypt.
الدنيا
Oh. Where are you from?
مغربية.
Oh. مغربية. بحب المغرب والله.
الله يحفظك.
استني. Where are you from?
New York.
New York.
Yeah, I'm not a Christian, so
From Norway.
I use a VPN. Just
Why?
for safety. It's
Okay. I'm from Egypt.
well, yours says you're in America, so
Yeah, I use VPN for my safety. That's good.
Okay.
Where are you from?
From France.
Like originally.
My originally is from Morocco, but I live in France.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
So you Arab, right?
Yeah. Alhamdulillah, frère.
Alhamdulillah.
And you are Arabic.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Let me guess. Your original. I think you are from Egypt. That's it.
يا ابن اللعيبة. لا. You are very good. رائع.
Yeah.
ممتاز.
Yeah.
Nigga. Oh, you nigga?
Oh, you fat ass.
Yeah, I'm fat.
Yeah.
And now
The fat ass only
I'm
secrets,
fat,
you know?
but happy. And you?
Don't do this. Hi. Sorry, I'm laughing because last one say something to me. Say it to me like nigga. So I don't know why.
Do you know Marlon?
Marlon, yeah, I know him.
You look like him.
Yeah, I know.
you're handsome.
Thank you, handsome. Thank you.
Yo, can I have pepperoni on my pizza, please?
Go, give me your Instagram. Give me your Instagram. I'm gonna help
No.
you.
I'm just kidding.
Not you again, bro.
You again, bro.
Bro, fuck you, bro.
I keep seeing what is happening here.
Bro, I'm not gay, bro. You're gay.
Yeah, for you, sure. For you, definitely.
Where are you from?
From Egypt.
You're from Egypt?
didn't tell me one like yeah. Is it?
I'm gonna collect you, bitch.
Stop, bro.
Are you Marlon?
Egypt?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Muslim. Nice to
Yeah,
meet you.
alhamdulillah.
الحمد لله ما شاء الله.
الحمد لله. Okay, bro.
This guy's dumb. He said mall, black mall.
Just, you know, bad lighting, you know, like.
I'm saying it's featured. I don't know why.
Oh, he's basically trying to say you're handsome, bro. He said you're handsome.
Thank you, bro. Thank you,
No,
bro. You
bro.
handsome too, bro. I love your hair, bro.
I said you were.
Marlon, bro. Oh, bro. Picture. I love you, bro. Bro, it's Marlon.
ودي أربع ناس اخواتك كل واحد من حته، واحد من المنصوره، واحد من تونس. انت واقع منين
دلوقتي يا اسطى؟ انت فين دلوقتي؟
توقع ده منين يا اسطى؟
ده؟ انت من المنوفية يا اسطى؟ اسكندرية ولا ايه؟ معرفش.
انت منين يا اسطى؟ ايوه
الصعيد. اه شكلك اسيوطي. والله بس كنت بعمل بنفس اللبس ده.
ده ايه اللبس اللي انت لابسه؟ والله اهو. امسك يا عم احلى فولو. والله يا اسطى احنا داخلين بن
بتعملوا زي
بالظبط كده. بالظبط.
طب ماشي. قص اول حته بتاعت البلدان وكده تمام.
اهم حاجه دي.
ما تخافش.
محتواك يا اسطى، محتواك يا اسطى، ما تبصش يا اسطى.
تص عليك. ماشي
حبيبي والله. حط يا عم ولا يهمك عادي.
ماشي يا جدعان.
ايدك تحط بتاعت البلدان. لا
حط يا اسطى، حط اهم حاجه دي يا اسطى، المنوفيه دي بالذات.
Really? No, bro, don't kill
Yeah.
anyone, bro. Be a good guy, bro.
They're bad guys. I kill bad guys.
You kill bad guys. Okay, bro.
Yeah.
What did they do?
Murder.
Really? So you're gonna murder them?
12 seconds later.
Bro, go to sleep, bro.
Huh?
Go to sleep.
Yeah? It's cold.
Yeah, bro. Go to sleep, bro.
Jaquavius.
What does that mean?
You ever pew someone?
Pew pew.
Yes.
No. بص هقولك بالعربي، يعني عاملين سيرفر للعرب لوحدهم، فاهم ازاي؟ فبدخل بس مع دول عربية. عرفت في بي ان عشان اعرف ايه هتكلم بره يعني.
لكي تتلقى اللسان.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
You have a very good accent.
الحمد لله.
والله you have a very good accent. You have a very good accent, like a USA man.
Really? Oh my
And
god.
you're still with your cap and your t-shirt. It's a American man.
Thank you, bro.